Welcome to our tutorial on how to get faster mobile data speed when you change a simple setting. 1. Go to Settings and go to Connections or Wireless Connection Settings. 2. Then tap on Mobile Networks. 3. Select Access Point Names and tap on Add. 4. On Name, type 4.4.8.85G and tap OK. 5. On APN, type 4.4.8.8 and tap OK. 6. On server, type ew.google.com and tap OK. 7. Select default as APN type. On bearer, select all options. 10. Now tap on the 3 dots and tap on Save. 11. Once your APN information is saved, go back once to the access point names and tap on the new APN settings that you have just saved to select it. 12. Your phone will lose its data connection for a while as it connects to the new network using the new network settings. 13. If you can't get a connection after a few minutes, you might have to restart your phone. You have learned how to get faster mobile data speed when you change a simple setting. Thank you for watching our guide.